What is good, YouTube? This is your boy Endless with another product review. I just wanted to show you guys this cool new product that I got. This is a Bluetooth audio receiver. It's manufactured by Logitech, and I have a home theater system here, and it's a great system. It's pretty loud and has some nice speakers on it, and it does not have Bluetooth. So I went online, I shopped on Amazon, and I'd seen that Logitech made one of these. And there's a lot of different options online, but the reason why I selected this one is because Logitech, I've had very good results with their past audio products, and I really truly enjoy them. I had their 5.1 surround sound system back in the day for anybody. But anyway, let's go on ahead and jump into the unboxing and let's get into it. All right, so let's go on ahead and open this up. Get my big long knife here. Probably could use a smaller knife, but that's okay. Go big or go home, baby. All right, so that's how it comes packaged right here. I wish I had a 3-prong for the power supply. That's the first disclaimer I have. You know, with these long ones, when you put it inside a surge protector, it'll take up 2 slots. So that's probably the first thing that I see. All right, so it did come with some directions here, but we probably don't need those. Basically just tells you how to use it and how to connect it up and everything. This is a little box here. It's actually very light, very nice. Doesn't feel like there's a lot to this at all. So as you can see here, look, it fits right in the palm of your hand. So, you know, it's not that big of a device. It's not big and bulky. It is wrapped in plastic here. And so let's go on ahead and take this plastic off. All right, so we got that off there. It's nice and shiny. I really like this up here. It has a button here, as you can hear. It has the auxiliary cord, which goes there, and the power wire. So there's not really a whole lot to this product. You know, you have the power that plugs in here. And then you have your auxiliary here. And they actually give you a semi-long line, which isn't too bad. The line looks to be anywhere from like 5 to 6 feet, so that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm actually not having to use their auxiliary cord, as you can see here, because I actually already have one, which runs out from right here, and it runs up to my head unit. Let me go on ahead and show you that. There's my head unit up there. I have the Pioneer head unit. It's pretty nice. It's a 5.1 surround sound, so HDMI. So it's pretty nice. And got a cool little review that I did on another video of my Frankenstein stuff, but we won't get into that. I always like just showing that off. But let's get on back to the video here. So yeah, let's go on ahead and plug this in and turn it on, and let's get it. All right, so after you go on ahead and plug this in the wall and get it all hooked up, as you can see here, it is blinking blue. So the Bluetooth is on and it's looking to sync up. That means it's searching. You go on ahead to your Bluetooth settings and search. As you can see here, it says Logitech BT adapter. I'm gonna click on this, and then it should pair up, and it'll say connected up top, and boom, this thing turns a solid blue. So now let's go on ahead and play some music. Party monkey, hell yeah. So yeah, if you want to have Bluetooth hooked up to your home theater system, this is a really good product. The sound quality sounds really good. I picked this out strictly because it was Logitech. Logitech has never disappointed me before, so definitely check out this product. Link down in the description below if you want to check it out. I don't get any kickback or anything. This wasn't paid promotion. This was just a product that I purchased that I felt like making a video on. So if you're into this kind of stuff, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and definitely tune into the channel for more cool content. This is your boy Endless. Talk to you guys later. Peace.